Okay, so today we are making a bow. So the first step is just take one of these pieces. Next, you take two of these pieces over here, and then place them under the stick. First turn this blue piece around, then place these things like this. So back there. Then we take one of these things. Oh wait. Then we take one of these big plates, and we place them down. And also the same thing. We take another one of the blue pieces that we started with, and then place it over here, right here. Then we take two of these pieces and then another one for something. Place two of these pieces again. Then place one here and one here. Then turn this thing around. And take two of these big pieces, like this, as you can see over here, and flip this thing around, and then place both of them like this. Place it like this. Next step is to take four of these things. You have four. Place one here. Place one here. Place one here. And finally, place one right here. Next step, flip it back around. Take two bricks. One of this one. It can be any color. One at the front like this, like in the middle. And then one back here. Next step, get roughly two of these pieces. Put one over here and one over here. There. Next step, take two of these pieces over here, as you can see. Place one over here. And then the other one over here. And same step, I'm going to take this big piece over here. Place this plate down over here. I made a mistake to just put them in the yellow ones. Now place this piece like this. So there's one between the white pieces and the green pieces. Then take two of these pieces. They're normally common. So if you have a level, it'll be pretty easy to find. One over here, like this, and then one over here. Then take two of these pieces. They have three holes in them. Easy to find in a bin. And place them on. Then take one of these pieces. There might be attachments, but don't attach it on. If there is on offers, just remove it. And take this piece. Or flip this piece down like this. For over here. On the side that's facing towards the green brick. And push it. Then take the brain, like the controller, call it whatever you want. This big yellow cube. Then place it down like this. Make sure it's a button is okay, like this. Oh yeah, there. For technical pieces, stab them in these holes back here. Next step is to take this blue piece. As you can see, I'm holding in my hand. Push it back here, right here, where you just place those technical pieces. Next step, I'll move this big boy and take one of these. Then take this boy, place him down in the middle, another, put it on the side like that. Let's take this one, turn it around, stab it through. It's basically propeller, so put it back here. Big boy again. Two technique pieces, and another one of those pieces that and stab them at the sides. This. Then take the attachment of that piece, like this one, and no attach it to anything. Yeah, just attach it, but not like on that other piece that goes inside of it. Place it like this. Take this this old cell phone looking piece, and then put it right over here. Take the light, put it back here, and this, or these two. Just stab those holes and this part like this. Like that. And then now you can attach this piece to its attachment over here. And keep it like this flat. Take this cable, take this cable and put it in letter, I don't know, just any of the letters. For now, I just like A out there. Next step is to two technique pieces, turn this way around, one in each side. Then get a camera, it's basically this. Well, a color sensor, that's what it's called. And place it down, looking for a color down on the floor. Like this, and then attach it to the other cable. Then take the guide, and put it standing on the screen, break that through. Oh, these big boys right now. Now I'm making this crocodile. This down. Okay. To eyeballs, they can be anyone. They can they can be any like types. They can be growing like any. And take it on like that. Because with that. Then take the latch piece, place it down here. And basically almost done. It was this and then that. Same time. So basically done.